In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel an Interac e-transfer on Cibc. If you've ever sent money via Interac e-transfer and found that you need to cancel it, perhaps because you sent it to the wrong person or the wrong amount, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly using the Cibc mobile banking app. First things first, you'll want to open up your Cibc mobile banking app. Once you have it open, sign into your account using your credentials. Having your banking information handy will make this process a lot quicker and easier. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon. It's usually located at the top corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open up a list of options. From this menu, you'll want to go to the Move Money section. This is where you'll find all the options related to transferring funds, including Interac e-transfers. After you're in the Move Money section, look for the option that says Interac e-transfer. Tap on it to proceed. This will bring up all your details related to Interac transfers, including pending transactions. Now, you'll want to tap on the option that says Stop Transaction. This is the key step in cancelling your e-transfer. Once you tap it, you'll see a list of all pending e-transfers. Choose the one you want to cancel. Make sure it's the correct one by double-checking the recipient and amount. After selecting the e-transfer, scroll down and tap Stop Transfer. This action will initiate the cancellation process. You'll be prompted to agree to the cancellation terms. These terms are there to confirm that you understand the process and its implications, so read them carefully before agreeing. If the app asks where the funds should be redirected, select the account you'd like them returned to. This step ensures that the money comes back to you safely and is placed in the correct account. Once you've selected the account, tap Continue. This will bring you to the final confirmation stage. To complete the cancellation process, confirm by selecting Stop Transfer. After you've done this, the e-transfer will be stopped, provided it hasn't already been deposited by the recipient. Cibc will process your request, and you should see the funds back in your account shortly. And that's how to cancel an Interac e-transfer in Cibc. By following these steps, you can avoid any inconvenience caused by sending money to the wrong person or for the wrong amount. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out for more help.